On the course homepage, toggle on the Course Edit mode using the button at the top of the page. The page will refresh, displaying all editing options. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and click Add Topics to the right. A pop-up window will display with a field in which you may enter the number of new topics you would like to create. When satisfied, click the Add Topics button. The page will refresh, displaying the new topics you have created. You may also use the compass arrow to the left of the topic name to drag and drop the topic to a preferred location within the course, and begin adding your own files or resources to the topic as needed. Click on the topic name and use the pencil icon to rename the topic as needed. When finished, turn Edit mode off at the top of the page and review your changes.